So today's prompt is a financial one and really a business leadership one. And this prompt came up when I was trying to accomplish something on my own and I couldn't find a way to do it inside of QuickBooks. So what I was trying to obtain is how many years we've worked with specific clients. Like when did they start working with us and how long have they been in a client, so we could determine our average client year, how many years that we've worked with each individual client. And there wasn't a way for me to obtain this easily from QuickBooks. So I created this prompt, and the document we're going to work off of is I just created this document here that has some sample information in it, just basically a bunch of transactions and company names and the amounts. So what you would do in QuickBooks is just essentially export every transaction you've ever had and just get it into an Excel or CSV file. And then we're going to upload it with this prompt that says, this document contains all the sales for each of our clients. I need you to use the first sale date and determine how many years we've done business with that client, and then create an Excel document with the client name and how many years we've done business with them. So it's basically showing us what we've uploaded here, all the transaction data. And then it gave us a summary here of, hey, client one, we've been doing business 9 years, 6 years, so this is a great way to obtain this information. Then you could easily, create an average at the bottom, or even tell the prompt to create the average for you. But this is a great way that you can just export all your transaction history and know how long you've been dealing with each of your clients.